No matter how intelligent or successful you are, life becomes difficult when you don't know how to deal with people. At the end of the day, people may forget your words, but they never forget how you made them feel. And that's why understanding human nature is one of the most important skills you can ever learn. In this video, we are diving into The Art of Dealing with People by Les Giblin, a book that teaches you how to understand people, communicate better, and build stronger relationships in every area of life. The biggest secret about human nature. According to Les Giblin, every human being has one core emotional desire. People want to feel important. Everyone wants appreciation, respect, recognition, and validation. No matter who they are, a child wants appreciation from parents, employees want recognition from bosses, friends want attention, and life partner wants emotional understanding. Most relationship problems begin when people feel ignored, unimportant, or disrespected. And honestly, if you think deeply about it, almost every conflict in life somehow connects to this emotional need. That's why one of the easiest ways to improve relationship is simple. Make people feel valued, not through fake praise, but through genuine interest and respect. Stop focusing only on yourself. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is this. Most people are mainly interested in themselves. This may sound selfish, but it's simply human nature. People constantly think about their problems, goals, insecurities, and desires. So, if you want better relationships, you must learn to understand their perspective instead of only focusing on your own. Instead of asking, what can I get from people, ask, what do they want and how can I help them get it? This single mindset shift can improve friendship, communication, leadership, networking, and literally everything. The power of appreciation. Les Giblin strongly emphasizes appreciation, not flattery, not manipulation, but real appreciation. Most people go through life starving emotionally because nobody genuinely notices their effort. A simple compliment, a thank you, a kind acknowledgement can deeply impact someone's day. And the beautiful thing is, appreciation costs nothing. You don't lose anything by encouraging someone. In fact, the more appreciation you give, the stronger your relationship becomes. Become a better listener. This is the most important one. The author explains that good conversation is not about talking more, it's about listening better. Most people listen only to reply, very few listen to understand. And that's why truly good listeners become unforgettable. Ask people questions about themselves because people love talking about their experiences, passions, and opinions. And when someone feels heard, they automatically feel connected to you. So, next time when you are talking to someone, control the urge to constantly speak about yourself or your own stories. Instead of trying to impress them, try understanding them. Don't criticize, condemn, or attack. Criticism is one of the fastest ways to damage relationships. When people feel attacked, they become defensive, even if you are technically right. Direct criticism often hurts a person's ego and creates resistance rather than change. So instead of humiliating people for mistakes, correct gently, speak respectfully, and focus on solutions. Kindness changes people more effectively than aggression. Sometimes being calm is more powerful than proving you are right. People with high self-esteem are easier to deal with. People with healthy self-esteem are usually calmer, kinder, and easier to deal with. When people feel secure within themselves, they don't constantly seek validation or feel threatened by different opinions. Secure people can admit mistakes, handle criticism calmly, and genuinely listen to others because their confidence doesn't break easily. But people with low self-esteem often become defensive, easily offended, or overly critical. Sometimes difficult behavior is actually hidden insecurity, and understanding this helps us become more patient and emotionally intelligent while dealing with others. Confidence is contagious. Confidence breeds confidence. People naturally trust and believe in those who carry themselves with confidence. The book explains that even average talent can sometimes go further than extraordinary talent, simply because confident people take action, speak with certainty, and influence others emotionally. This does not mean pretending to be perfect. It means trusting your abilities, speaking with clarity, and taking action without constant self doubt, and carrying yourself with self belief. People often respond not only to your skills but to the energy and confidence you bring into a room. The message is simple: when you believe in yourself, you silently give others permission to believe in you. The world reflects how you see yourself. The author shares a powerful psychological truth. Act as if you are nobody and the world will take you at face value. Act as though you are somebody and the world has no choice but to treat you as somebody. The way you see yourself silently shapes how others see you. If you constantly doubt yourself, apologize for your existence, or shrink your presence, people often respond to that energy. But when you carry self-respect, confidence, and belief in your worth, people naturally treat you differently. The book reminds us that confidence begins internally before it appears externally, and the world often mirrors the opinions we hold about ourselves. Not every emotion needs an audience. Constantly talking about your suffering, problems, and negativity can make conversations emotionally exhausting for others. As the book says, describing your suffering does not make you a hero, it makes you a bore. This does not mean you should never express your emotions, but if every conversation revolves around complaints, pain, or personal struggles, people eventually stop enjoying your company. Instead of unloading your emotions onto everyone, the book suggests a healthier approach. Write your feelings down, reflect on them privately, and release them in a constructive way. The art of dealing with people teaches one simple truth: success in life depends greatly on how well you understand and deal with people, because better relationships often lead to a better life. Tell me in the comments what's one social skill you want to improve. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Socially Awkward Soul. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care.